When they open Play Store to update apps, they are greeted by the message error checking for updates. If you are getting the same error while trying to update apps, we have listed fixes to solve the problem. Clear cache and data. One of the best solutions to solve all issues related to Google Play Store is to clear the cache and data of Google Play Store. To clear cache and data, follow these steps. Open Settings on your phone and go to Apps. Under All Apps or Manage Apps, tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage. Hit the Clear Data or Clear Storage depending on the option available. Restart your device. Disable Play Store. If the first solution didn't help, disabling Play Store for a while could also come to your rescue. Once disabled, enable it again, and that should fix the problem. Also, it won't delete any data or apps. To disable Play Store, open Settings on your phone and go to Apps. Under All Apps or Manage Apps, tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Disable. Then we'll ask to uninstall updates of Google Play Store. Repeat the steps and now tap on Enable to activate Play Store again. Restart the phone.